Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix stick drift on your Xbox wireless controller in a simple and effective way. First, understand that stick drift happens when the analog stick moves on its own due to dust, wear, or calibration issues. Start with a basic cleaning method. Turn off your controller and remove the batteries. Use compressed air around the base of the analog stick and gently rotate it in all directions while cleaning to remove dust buildup. Next, try a soft reset. Reinsert the batteries, then turn the controller off and on again. You can also reconnect it to your Xbox console using a USB cable to refresh the connection. Now check for firmware updates. Go to your Xbox settings, open Devices and Accessories, select your controller, and update it if an update is available. If the drift continues, try recalibrating the stick in settings or lowering dead zone sensitivity in supported games. As a last option, use a small amount of electronic contact cleaner around the stick base and move it gently, then let it dry completely. If nothing works, it may be a hardware issue and the stick module might need replacement. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.